In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format a hanging indent for a citation in Google Slides. This is a handy skill, especially if you need to format citations or references in your presentations to ensure they look professional and are easy to read. We're going to walk through this process step by step, so feel free to follow along on your own device. First, let's head over to Google Slides. If you're not already familiar or logged in, you'll need to sign into your Google account. This is your entryway to all of Google's tools, including Slides. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. This is where you can see all your presentations, but for today, we'll start by creating something new. Click on Blank Presentation if you want to start from scratch, or you can choose one of the templates if you already have something in mind. With your new presentation open, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate to the text where you want to add a hanging indent. Highlight that specific text to select it. It's important to have your text selected so that the changes you make will apply directly to it. Now, with your text selected, take a look at the menu options at the top of the screen, click on Format, and from the drop-down, choose Format Options. This is where you can find a range of settings to modify the appearance of your text block. Within the Format Options sidebar that opens on the right, look for the Indentation section. Clicking on Indentation will bring up a few options. To create a hanging indent, focus on the specific field for indentation called hanging. Here you can specify how far you want the hanging indent to push your text over. A common measurement for a hanging indent is 0.5 inches, but you can adjust this according to your needs or preferences by either typing in the number or using the up and down arrows to set it exactly as you want. And that's it. You should now see your selected text formatted with a hanging indent, aligning perfectly the way you need it. This easy formatting option really enhances the readability of your citations or references, adding a level of professionalism to your presentation. Remember, if you need to format additional segments of text with hanging indents, you can just repeat these steps. And with that, your Google Slides presentation will be one step closer to perfection. Catch our next video for more useful tips and tutorials on making the most of Google's suite of tools.